you know what's the video about, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first app's name is called as Scrollo. This is basically an app that lets you scroll automatically while you read articles, watch TikTok or YouTube shorts. All you need to do is to enable a few permissions and a small overlay will appear with some controls. And if you press the up arrow, it will start scrolling the content upwards. If you want to stop scrolling, well, you can simply tap on the pause icon to do so. It's a simple app that lets you scroll hands-free. So try this app out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. The next app on the list is called as Calendar Notification. This is basically an application that lets you enable a calendar in your notification shade. Yeah, that's about it. So with this app, you can see a whole calendar without opening actual calendar app, and you can also sync your Google Calendar with it. But if you buy the premium version, then you can also enable some extra features like viewing your daily agenda, seeing event indicators, and so on. So it's a very simple app that lets you enable calendar in your notification shade so that you can save time instead of opening the actual calendar app. The next application is super handy and really useful if you want to bulk uninstall a lot of unwanted applications from your phone. And the app's name is called as AppDrop. So this is an application that lets you uninstall many applications in bulk at once. So it's very simple to do that. All you need to do is to choose the application that you need to uninstall and then tap uninstall. What it does is to trigger the uninstall command for each app, which lets you uninstall all unwanted apps at one go. If you buy the premium feature, then you can also extract APK from an app, which is super useful and handy. Also, a huge shout out to Sam Beckman, who is the founder of this application. So it's a really great app. I love the design. So you guys try it out and let me know what you guys think about this. So if you have come this far watching this video, then don't forget to drop a like and comment on this video because YouTube values engagement. So if you do that, this video will reach to a lot more people. And also share this video with your friends because it is very useful as it has a lot of useful applications. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel because most of you watch our video tend to forget subscribing. So it's very simple. Just tap the red color subscribe button and you're good to go. So now let's continue with our fourth application on the list, which is called as Goli. Yes, you heard it right, G-O-A-L-Y. This is basically a goal scheduler app that seamlessly integrates with your Google Calendar to set different goals. So all you need to do is to choose a goal, set the time and how often you want to achieve it. And once you hit the tick, the app sets these goals in the Google Calendar, which makes it super easy and simple to follow up because there are a lot of other goal setting applications which gives you custom reminder which might be irritating. So this will seamlessly integrate with your Google Calendar, which is super easy and handy while you use. The last and final application is for people who want to limit your screen time, and the app's name is called as App Blocker. So with this app, you can set usage blocks which lets you increase your productivity. If you think you are spending a lot of time on a specific app or a website, you can simply choose it and set. So while opening the app for the first time, it basically asks you a few questions, and based on that, it will tell you which apps you should stop using a lot. And you can choose to follow that, or you can also manually set blocks for the application that you feel that you're using too much. So this is a really useful application for people who want to limit their screen time in their smartphone. So there you have it. These are the top 5 apps for the month of December, and let me know your favorite app in the comment section below. As I said, share this video with your friends because it's really useful. Also drop a like and comment to this video and subscribe to our channel because most of you watch our video forget to subscribe. It's very simple, red color subscribe button, press it and you're good to go. So this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.